Hey you guys, it is day 29 of the 90-day challenge. And I actually missed yesterday, day 28. I was up until almost 3 o'clock in the morning working on costumes. Then I had to go to work this morning, and it was a crazy long, busy day yesterday. I did get some extra steps in and extra movement, so I'm just going to count that as my day 28 of the 90-day challenge. Today has been super busy again. Work first thing this morning, and then start working on the costumes. Actually, we're still just working on one costume, and the helmet part has been, it's been a challenge. Thought it was going to be easy making it with EVA foam. That stuff is not very easy to work with, and so had to improvise and went and got some air dry clay. And that stuff is easy to work with, but I've had to build up so many layers to make the helmet the shape that we need. And it's basically like put a layer, use the hair dryer, dry it, put another layer, use a hair dryer, dry it. Trust the process. Trust the process. Because once we get all the detail and stuff on it, it's going to look really good. I mean, sometimes you just got to kind of just go with what you got, and it is what it is. I think it's going to look great either way. So, anyway, let's get into this. I'm tired. I think it's almost like 10 o'clock. I don't want to go to bed late again tonight. All right, so we have calf raises, 30 times 3. So 90 calf raises, and here we go. Oh, my back and stuff hurts so bad. Okay. Oh, my knee hurts so bad. I had a torn meniscus several years ago from running, and so when the weather changes, like it's starting to get cold, and all the up and down off the ground, up and down the stairs, trying to get this costume made, it's really putting a strain on my knee. It hurts so bad. I just took some ibuprofen, so hopefully that'll kick in here in a minute. There it is. 30 more to go. Oh my god. I am so tired. We are done. That is day 29 for the 90-day challenge, and I will see you guys tomorrow.